What to expect at an early resolution meeting. There are two ways of discussing this with you. One, from the standpoint of an unrepresented person, at an early resolution meeting, you would meet with a prosecutor or member of the prosecution office who would probably release things like the disclosure to you, and in some cases they may present you with an offer to resolve the case, usually a reduction in the fine if you plead guilty, or even maybe a reduction to a lesser offense. What wouldn't be happening at that time is a discussion about what happened. There would be no tabling of what your potential defense might be. There would be no meaningful dialogue as to changing whatever offer they presented. The offer is solid. In fact, the police officers are not there. There's no judge there. It's kind of an informal meeting. It's a mandatory meeting for most, and it's a very black and white meeting. So not a lot happens for an unrepresented person. For counsel, so lawyers, paralegals that arrive in those situations, there may be an offer created on the file, but usually because we're all officers of the court, we do discuss things like the strength of the Crown's case. We will discuss the strength of the defense case. We'll be in a position to openly negotiate. We'll be in a position to maybe reduce fines. Usually we're in a position to achieve great results because of those meetings. And in many of these cases, it can also result in the complete withdrawal of the charge once we disclose two things. Once they realize who's representing this particular person, and if they realize they're of any particular importance, meaning are they accomplished, are they skilled, have they been here before, can they run a reasonable trial, that carries some credibility in those meetings. And that usually relaxes the negotiations, allowing the prosecutor and the defense counsel to arrive in a position where the defendant or the client is going to achieve a result that they're going to be satisfied with. And statistically, that result is often much better than anyone could achieve by representing themselves.